It's an elephant! Did you know elephants are the biggest animals that live on land? Elephants use their trunk like a hand. They can pick things up, drink water, and even give themselves a shower. And look at this! A baby elephant is called a calf. It always walks close to its mother and learns everything by watching her. Elephants also flap their huge ears to stay cool. It works like a natural fan. Did you enjoy this puzzle? Tap like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun videos.